Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to play music and record video at the same time on Android phone. If you're using an Android phone and now you want to play music and record video at the same time, so let's see how can you do this. First of all, you have to play the music which you want. As I'm going to play this one, so just tap on it, and after that, here you will get a notification bar, something like this, which you can see the music has been playing, and after that, you have to open your phone camera. From here, open video section. Now tap on start recording. Here you can see the music has been cut out. So let's see how can you play your music. You just have to tap on this pause icon, just tap on it and it will start playing music. And after that you can easily record your video while your phone with music is playing. So that's how you can play music and record video at the same time. In this your music will also recording your video. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.